issue of dilapidated buildings in our port town, which pose a significant threat to the public safety. Several of these structures, both occupied and unoccupied, some owned by MMC, are on the verge of collapse. We have already seen portions of slab falling, which creates major danger. Many of these buildings are in the city center where thousands of people pass daily. Since the owners have failed to act or at least bothered to protect this property, I urge the state administration to intervene immediately. These buildings must be either taken over or demolished as a matter of priority to protect the public. I request Honorable Minister to kindly address this urgent matter. Speaker sir, municipalityच्याच property थोडे आसा आणि त्योय बी आणि गव्हर्नमेंट म्हाका कलेक्टरान थोडे प्रोसेस स्टार्ट केला सो ते करून ह्योय बी बिल्डिंग डेमोलिश करच्यो.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.